Example 8. If logarithm of x power 4 plus 2 by 2x plus 1 to the base 2x minus 1 is equals to 1, then x equals to how much? And of course, by using the technique, you could say that one thing here, option wise, x cannot be negative value because the base when you take up 2x minus 1, if it is x minus 1 doesn't satisfy, minus root 3 doesn't satisfy. So you can discard minus 1, discard minus root 3. Yes, and what happens when x is equals to 1 here? When I substitute x equals to 1, the base 2x minus 1, in this one when I substitute x equals to 1, base will become 1, but logarithm is to the base, okay, the base cannot be equals to 1, therefore 1 also not defined. So the answer for the problem is equals to root 3. So the answer for this problem is equals to root 3.